Welcome to Jay's Techie Crown. If you're watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe. In this video, we are going to see the most recent timelines. Come, let's get into the video. Here is the first timeline 1. It is for the visa type 491 and for the state Tasmania. Here, the applicant type is onshore and he has applied for the nomination of application on 20th Jan 2020 and he has received the nomination by 14th April 2020. We can see that for the approval of the nomination, he took almost 3 months of time, and finally he has filed his visa application on 22nd April 2020, and his visa is granted by 1st of March 2021, and the overall processing time took almost 15 months from visa nomination to the visa grant. Come, let's move on to the timeline 2. Here is the timeline 2 and it is for the state Northern Territory and the visa type is 491. The occupation here is accountant and the visa applicant is onshore. Let us take a closer look at the dates. The overall points is 80 points. So he has applied for the UOI on 4th of March 2020 for both 189 and 190. Later on he has moved to NT on 6th March and then he has updated his UOI on 16th March for 491. Then he has applied for the visa nomination and received the nomination on 20th April of 2020 along with the invite on the same day. Then he has applied for the visa on 27th April 2020, a week later of the date invite. Then he did his medical on 25th May and finally his visa is granted in 1st of March 2021. You can see that the overall processing took 12 months from the UOI lodgement till the date of grant. Come, let's move on to timeline 3. And here is the timeline 3, which is for visa type 189 and the applicant is onshore. Here the occupation is ICT system analyst and he has received the invitation on 11th of March 2020 for the points 90 and the visa is granted on 20th February 2021. So the overall processing here took 12 months. Let's move on to the timeline 4. Most recent timeline 4 for the state NSW and the visa type is 491. The overall points applied is for 65 points for the occupation registered nurse under aged care. The UO is lodged on 20th of September 2020 and he has received the invite on 20th of October 2020 exactly within a month, and then he has did his medical on 1st of December and finally the visa is granted on 4th of March 2021. Here the overall processing time is just 6 months and it is much quicker when compared to the previous timelines. Come, let's move on to the next timeline. Here is the timeline 5 and the UOI is lodged on 22nd of June 2020 for the points 95. And here as well the applicant is an onshore candidate and the occupation is for 261312, which is nothing but developer programmer, and the visa type is 190 and the state is Western Australia. Here he has got the invite on 50th Jan of 2021 and he has applied for the visa on the same day and finally received the nomination for the visa application on 20th of Jan 2020 and lodged the visa on 21st Jan 2021. Finally, he has received the grant on 1st of March 2021. If you take a closer look at the overall processing time, you can understand that the processing time differs by visa type and by the state. And here you can see that for Western Australia, the processing time took just 3 months of time. Here is a timeline 6, which is for visa type 190 and for the occupation registered nurse and for the points 85. Here the applicant is an onshore and applied for ROI on 8/9/2020 and he has received the invite for the same on 25th of September 2020 and has received the nomination on 2nd November of 20. Applied for the subclass on 22nd November and there was a CO contact on 8th on January 18th 2021 and is responded on 13th of February 2021 and finally his visa was granted on March 3rd and the overall processing time here just took 6 months of. Moving on to timeline 7, here it's also for visa type 189 and the occupation here is ICT business analyst and the applicant is an onshore candidate and the overall points he has applied for is with 95 points. The visa was applied on 20th of March 2020. Medicals was done on 7th of June 2020 and the visa was granted on 4th of March. So the overall processing time took 13 months. Also, you can note that the UOI lodge date and the visa invite date was before 20th of March 2020. Come, let's move on to the next timeline. Here is the timeline 8 for the state Victoria and the visa type is 491 and the occupation is early childhood teacher and the applicant is offshore. The UOI was submitted on February 2020 and he has received the nomination approval on 3rd March of 2020 and the visa was lodged on 5th of March and finally has did his medicals on 7th March and finally the visa was granted on 9th of March 2021. The overall processing time here took 14 months of time. Come, let's move on to the next timeline. Here is the timeline 9 for visa type 189, and the invitation was received on 13th of March 2020, and he has applied for visa on 23rd April 2020. Finally, the visa was granted on 7th of March 2021. We are not sure about the occupation type here, and there was no CO contact, so the overall processing time here was 12 months of time. Here is the last timeline. This is for the state of Victoria, and the visa type is 190, and the occupation here is registered nurse, and he has received the invite on 27th of June 2019 and lodged on 3rd July 2019. You can see that it has been 2 years, and there were several CO contacts for medicals, evidence and other stuffs. So finally the visa was granted on 10th of March 2021. The overall processing time here took 21 months of time. So it is always recommended to submit all the relevant documents to avoid the delay. Hope this video helps you to get a clarity on the recent timelines, and if you have any question, please post your questions on the comment sections along with your skill code, so that I will be able to respond in detail along with the timelines. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.